Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Janice, and my channel is about beauty, tips, and lifestyle. I like to do unboxings mostly, but I also do beauty tips. I do hauls, I do some Dollar Tree hauls, and whatever else I come up with. And I play with my dogs, give you some beauty tips on them. So please subscribe right there, okay? And also, ding that bell for upcoming videos so you see what I have coming up. This video is going to be about my Boxycharm, what I received in my Boxycharm for August 2019. A little box, but not bad. So, if you're really interested or curious, please stay tuned. Here's the box, and they package it pretty well. They put foam in there and a card. And just to let you know, I'll breeze through this quickly. The formalities. Boxycharm is a once a month subscription box. It's a beauty subscription box. It runs $21 a month plus your state tax. And every 3 months you can upgrade to a box called Boxyluxe. You don't have to, but you can. And that third month, and usually it runs September, December, March, and June. For another $28, you usually get a lifestyle product and anywhere between 8 to 10 full-size skincare, beauty, hair care. It's very, very nice. I love Boxycharm. It's my very, very favorite. And I guess that's it. So let's get on with the unboxing. They give you a card every month. This month's theme is totally Boxycharm. That's cute. And on the back they list the products you receive, how to use them, and what the value is. Alright, I'll set that aside. We'll go over that later. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a lip pencil. It is by Laurent. We do receive quite a few pencils. I don't mind. This is very nice. However, I do have a lot of them, so I'm going to put this away for a future giveaway. Okay, next they gave us Wander Beauty. It is a illuminating face oil, and I did use this today. It's really, really nice. It's just oil. You just put one drop at a time. Let's see here. Get a little more than that so you can see. It's pink, but it smooths out to clear, and it feels so silky and smooth. And what I did today is I put on my moisturizer first, and then I put this over it. Oh yes, and this is also a primer. That's what it says, a primer. Yeah, so it's a face oil and a primer. But I did use some other primer just in case. I just, being sure. But this is nice. Really no smell, maybe slight, but I can't really detect it. So those who don't like perfume, fragrances in your skincare products, that's great. Okay, next I'm pulling out is mascara. Now this one is by Tarte, and it's called Big Eagle. And it says, let your lashes be full of themselves. I did wear this today, and I like it. Look at that. Bright pink, hot pink. It's so pretty. For those who love pink, you're going to love this. I happen to love pink. And the brush is a quite large one, and it looks like an hourglass. And I did put it on my eyes today, and I found that It doesn't really make them thick and voluminous. Doesn't give you a lot of volume, but it does give you separation and length. And I do like it. However, it's not my favorite yet. I mean, I've just tried it today. I'll give it some more time. But it's beautiful. The next item they gave us is eyeshadow. They're 2 little eyeshadow pots. They're a Glimmer shadow, and they're by Ace Beauty. Okay, the one color, oh, it does tell me. This is Cotton Candy. I will open it for you. There it is. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, and I do have this on my eyes today. It really reminds me of ColourPop. The way it goes, the way it feels and the way it goes on. And that's a very, very pretty color. They did have 2 other colors, a variation in boxes. And that was a purple and a silver. I wish I would have got that. But this is nice too. I guess I'm going to have to go online and see if I can purchase it. Because this is very nice. Now this one, the next one is called Ice Latte. And to me it looks more like a rose gold, perhaps. Now swatch this. Again, it's almost feels like butter. Wow, there's that swatch. And I do have it, like I said, on my eyes. And that's, I did put a base of primer and a neutral color from another palette, and then I put this over it. Okay, the other palette went well, in case you wanted to know. I use that a lot, the cream brulee, and then another neutral color. If I just, just want to have a transition color, I use Wet n Wild a lot. Alright, and the last but not least, we got a beautiful powder from Becca Cosmetics. Now this one's quite unique. It goes on beautifully. It has a little opening here, and right now I have the paper still on, but when you open it, you can peel this off and leave it off, but I just left it on. It's got a netting there, and when you touch it, it's ice cold. Ice cold. And boy, does that feel nice on your face, especially in the summer. See if I can find, well, you can't really see it, but I noticed when I wore it, I do have it on today, it made my face look silky and blurred it out a bit, and I surely didn't look powdery, which sometimes when you put powder on, you can really see the powder, unless you blend it out. But this, I went all over my face and a little bit down my neck, and I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, we will go over what their value is. The Becca Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder is what it's called. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. And by all means, it lives up to that. This particular powder is valued at $39. Okay, the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil is a multitasking beauty elixir. It instantly hydrates and absorbs into your skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what your skin type is. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes your skin and helps you restore skin moisture barrier with providing you a youthful glow. And like I said, I wore that. I'm wearing that, and I do like it. Now that one is valued at $42. Wow, that's expensive. Wow, skincare is always so expensive. And then the Tarte Mascara. Oops, almost dropped it. The Big Eagle. It is worth $23, And it says it's an ultra black vegan mascara that fits your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And it does do that. It does make them fan out and flutter. Okay, then the Ace Beauty eyeshadows. They're the Glimmer Shadow Duo. They're highly pigmented, which they are. Soft shadows with a creamy texture, especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing or fading. I really didn't get much fallout. I got a tiny bit, but that's because I used the brush. When I used my finger, I didn't. And those are worth $25. Wow. Like I said, I wanted to go on online and buy one, but whew, for the two, $25. Well, they're nice. We'll think about that. We'll ponder that. Okay, and then lastly, the lip pencil by Steve Laurent. I can't talk. By Steve Laurent lip liner. Reshape, resize, refine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. Okay. It is valued at $15. So, we'll add that up. Let's see here. Let's see what the value of the whole box is. And I paid $21 for this. $144. So that is really a good value. And for the most part, I'm really happy with this box. I like everything in it. I really do. I don't really need this pencil. I did look in my collection to see if I had a color like it, and I have like 2. So, future giveaway. I'm going to, of course, keep this in the eyeshadows, the Elixir, and Becca. So, 4 out of 5 is good. So, there you have it. That's what I got. My Boxycharm August 2019 subscription, beauty subscription. Now, again, I want to remind you to please subscribe. Ding that bell for my future videos. Also, comment. Do you get Boxycharm? If you did you get similar items and did you enjoy it? Are we box twins? And if you don't subscribe, would you be interested in subscribing? I don't have affiliate. I'm not sponsored in any way, but I do have a referral. So I will put that underneath there if that helps you. If not, you can go ahead and just Google Boxycharm and it'll take you to their site. And give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it. It's quite a great value. It's my very favorite subscription box that I get as to date. I also get MC Plus and I'm enjoying that too. But these two are neck to neck. Okay, I'm going to do my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box in my next video. Alright everyone, I'm going to quit rambling on and let y'all go. So, we'll see y'all later. Bye.